So the test drive is complete, and then I'll now show the actual playback of that. So let's see, playback, and this should be the normal recording, and which one is it? I think it should be this one. Yes, so yeah, it records my whole process of the test driving, so we can see the actual recording. Oh, by the way, you do need to buy a separate micro SD card to store the videos, and it is not included in this product, so you have to buy that SD card separately, but it's quite cheap, so it's not an issue. And I'm just lazy, so I'm just like recording everything from my phone so that I can just directly upload on Amazon. Otherwise I have to like still get the files out and import to my laptop to upload all the stored videos in this webcam. I'm just lazy, so I just like, for convenience, I'm just recording from my phone. But you can definitely, if you have time, or if you want to spend time, you can definitely import those, export those videos from the SD card to your laptop or something, and then as a video proof. So it's quite flexible. Yep, so the test drive is complete, and it's an end to my playback video. So I'll stop my recording now from my phone.
The test drive is complete, and then I'll now show